For centuries, humanity has been captivated by the idea of artificial beings, entities that could mimic our actions and perhaps even our thoughts. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the desire to create machines in our own image has persisted. Stories of mechanical beings can be found in the lore of many cultures, reflecting our deep-seated fascination. Today, that dream is rapidly becoming a reality with the emergence of humanoid robots. These robots are designed to look and act like humans, bridging the gap between fantasy and reality. These sophisticated machines are no longer confined to the realm of imagination. They are being integrated into various aspects of our daily lives, performing tasks that were once thought impossible. They are stepping out of research labs and into our everyday lives. From assisting in household chores to providing companionship, humanoid robots are becoming more prevalent. Early humanoid robots were rudimentary, often limited to simple repetitive tasks. They possessed limited movement and lacked the advanced capabilities we see today. These early models were more of a proof of concept than practical tool. However, relentless technological advancements, particularly in artificial intelligence, have propelled the field of robotics into a new era. AI has enabled robots to learn, adapt, and perform increasingly complex tasks. Today, humanoid robots are being developed and deployed in various sectors, including healthcare, manufacturing, and education. Their versatility makes them invaluable in these fields. Their ability to mimic human actions and interact with their environment makes them ideal for tasks that were previously considered too complex or dangerous for automation. They are transforming industries and improving efficiency. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, the capabilities of humanoid robots are poised to expand even further. Innovations in AI, sensor technology, and materials science are driving this progress. The future holds immense potential for these remarkable machines to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The possibilities are truly endless as we continue to push the boundaries of what robots can achieve. At the forefront of this robotic revolution stands AGI Bot A2, a marvel of engineering and artificial intelligence developed by DEEPSEEK AI. This state-of-the-art creation is not just another robot. It is a testament to human ingenuity and technological prowess. This cutting-edge humanoid robot embodies the culmination of years of research and development, bringing together the brightest minds in robotics and AI. Pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the field of robotics, AGI Bot A2 is designed to adapt and evolve with its environment. Standing at an impressive 169 centimeters tall and weighing 69 kilograms, it is built to mirror human dimensions closely. AGI Bot A2 is remarkably human-like in its proportions and appearance, making it an ideal candidate for tasks that require a human touch. Its sleek modular design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also allows for customizable exteriors to suit a variety of applications, from industrial to personal use. Beneath its sophisticated exterior lies a complex network of sensors, actuators, and processors that work in harmony to bring AGI Bot A2 to life. These components are meticulously engineered to ensure seamless operation. This intricate fusion of hardware and software enables the robot to perceive its surroundings, process information, and make decisions in real time. It can execute actions with remarkable precision and fluidity, performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. AGI Bot A2 represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of humanoid robots, setting new standards for what these machines can achieve. Its advanced capabilities, coupled with its human-like design, position it as a game-changer in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare and beyond. What truly sets AGI Bot A2 apart is its unparalleled movement capabilities, which are a marvel of modern engineering and deep integration of artificial intelligence. Unlike its predecessors, which often exhibited stiff and unnatural movements, AGI Bot A2 moves with a grace and fluidity that is remarkably human-like. This level of sophistication is achieved through a combination of cutting-edge technology and innovative design. This is achieved through a combination of advanced engineering and sophisticated AI algorithms. The internal components of AGI Bot A2 are meticulously crafted to work in harmony, ensuring seamless operation. At the heart of AGI Bot, A2's movement system lies an impressive 40 degrees of freedom, allowing for an incredibly wide range of motion. This extensive range enables the robot to mimic human movements with astonishing accuracy. This intricate system of joints and actuators enables the robot to perform complex tasks that require dexterity and precision. From delicate manipulations to robust actions, AGI Bot A2 handles them all with ease. Furthermore, AGI Bot A2 is equipped with dexterous 5-fingered hands, each equipped with torque sensors for precise manipulation of objects. These sensors provide real-time feedback, enhancing the robot's ability to interact with its environment. These advanced hands allow the robot to grasp, hold, and manipulate objects with a level of dexterity that was previously unimaginable in the field of robotics. The precision and control offered by these hands are unparalleled. Powering these advanced movements is DEEPSEEK AI's proprietary Action GPT system. This system is the backbone of AGI Bot A2's intelligence, enabling it to learn and adapt. This sophisticated AI model has been trained on an extensive dataset of human movements, allowing AGI Bot A2 to generate incredibly realistic and natural-looking gestures, movements, and responses to commands. The result is a robot that not only moves like a human, but also interacts with its surroundings in a profoundly human-like manner. AGI Bot A2's mobility extends far beyond its impressive range of motion. This remarkable robot is designed to navigate complex environments with ease, thanks to its advanced suite of sensors and cutting-edge navigation algorithms. Utilizing a combination of multimodal mapping, three-dimensional SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, and vector flux planning algorithms, AGI Bot A2 achieves Level 4 autonomous mobility. This means that the robot can operate with a high degree of autonomy in a wide range of environments without the need for constant human intervention. The robot's navigation system is characterized by its low latency, minimal drift, and exceptional stability, even in dynamic environments. This ensures that AGI Bot A2 can navigate crowded spaces, avoid obstacles, and reach its destination with precision and efficiency. Furthermore, AGI Bot A2's robust design, coupled with its peak force output of 512 Newton-meters, allows it to overcome challenging terrains and maintain its balance even in demanding situations. Section 5. Safety First, Ensuring User Confidence. As humanoid robots become more integrated into our daily lives, ensuring the safety of both humans and the robots themselves is of paramount importance. DEEPSEEK AI recognizes this critical aspect and has implemented a comprehensive suite of safety features in AGI Bot A2. Equipped with 6 high-definition 360-degree LiDARs, AGI Bot A2 possesses panoramic perception, eliminating blind spots and enhancing its ability to detect and avoid obstacles in its surroundings. These sensors work in tandem with the robot's intelligent obstacle avoidance system to ensure safe operation in even the most challenging environments. AGI Bot A2's safety measures extend beyond obstacle avoidance. A 3-layer safety monitoring system constantly monitors the robot's internal systems and external environment, ensuring that any potential issues are identified and addressed before they escalate. Redundant backups between computing and safety systems provide an additional layer of protection, ensuring that the robot can continue to operate safely even in the unlikely event of a system failure. Imagine having the power to control a vast array of tasks with just a few simple commands. With the AGI Bot A2, this is no longer a dream, but a reality. Whether it's managing your home, coordinating business operations, or even handling complex technical tasks, the AGI Bot A2 puts the control right at your fingertips. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to help. The AGI Bot A2 isn't just a piece of technology, it's a versatile workforce. From healthcare to logistics, education to entertainment, this humanoid robot can adapt to any environment and perform a wide range of functions. Imagine a world where robots assist doctors in surgeries, teach children in classrooms, or even entertain guests at events. The possibilities are endless, and the AGI bot A2 is leading the way. The future is no longer a distant concept. It's here and now thanks to advancements like the AGI bot A2. This cutting-edge technology is bridging the gap between science fiction and reality. By integrating seamlessly into our daily lives, the AGI bot A2 is making tasks easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. It's not just about what this robot can do today, but what it will enable us to do in the future. As we look ahead, the potential of the AGI bot A2 becomes even more exciting. Imagine a world where robots work alongside humans in perfect harmony, enhancing our capabilities and opening up new possibilities. The AGI bot A2 offers a glimpse into this tomorrow, showing us that the future is bright, innovative, and full of promise. It's a future where technology and humanity come together to create something truly extraordinary.